Yeah, hi everyone. As you can see, one and only Paul Wise with me, the MP of Rochdale. What a brilliant personality, and many congratulations as a new elected member of Parliament. Yeah, and thank you very much. What would you like to say regarding what the Britain Excellence Awards? It's happening on 30th November.
Yeah, it's a great idea, the Britain Excellence Awards. Well done to JAP UK for promoting this and for making sure that people are recognised in their community, in and around Rochdale and Oldham and the Greater Manchester area. You're doing a fantastic job. As a former journalist, I really appreciate what you're doing, and you're doing great work. So thank you very much.
So we are recognizing those personalities who done something special in their department or in their selective whatever they are doing. Like either they are a journalist, they are a businessman, or especially for the young people. So join us on 30th November. It's going to be entertainment, music, stalls, and dinner, and as well as awards for me. Thank you very much. Keep watching. Be